today's a windy day. Yeah, there's a big wind coming. I just want to give y'all an update about this wind chime. As you can see, I fixed it because on Tuesday, one tube fell and it broke. This wind chime broke on Tuesday. But on Thursday, I fixed it. It's this tube right here. As you can see, it's higher now. Yeah, the string broke, and I tied a knot up there, as you can see, and it's fixed. It's been doing good now. Sounds a little different than it was before. I also put electrical tape up there. But anyways, I have before and after pictures of this wind chime. So yeah. Yep, I put electrical tape on all of the other tubes to protect it from falling. And as you can see, I moved the Corinthian bells and the arabesque to the front because the Woodstock chimes sounds a little loud. And I thought the Corinthian bells and the arabesque sounds quieter in the front, but those over there sounds a little louder. But yeah, I decided to put quieter chimes in the front. And then I took down 5 chimes, and I'll show you that. But anyways, I'm about to go to the front. Hey guys, it is very windy today. Yeah, there's a big wind coming. I put this wind chime out here temporarily, and same to the one over there, because they're quieter than these. I have them down here for temporarily, and these are the chimes that will be here temporarily. That one over there stayed because it's too high. I just only did this side and the one over there. So I took down 5 chimes for now. And also, there's going to be a huge storm tonight. Yeah, it's going to be like overnight or early in the morning. But it is a very windy day today. And it's really warm. It says there's a possible risk of tornadoes too. And the winds are strong right now, like really strong. Get to this wind chime. These 2 chimes too. That's why I put them in. Yeah, they do sound quieter than those over there. I think these kind of chimes are quieter than Woodstock chimes, so that's why I put them there. And plus I like them, just like this. It's a big wind. Space Odyssey set. Left. Space Space Odyssey stayed. Yeah, that's definitely a big one coming. It's definitely a windy day today. And it's gonna be really windy too tonight. It's probably gonna be like this tonight, but probably worse. The gusts may reach up to 35 for today, but tonight it's gonna be higher, like 40 to 45, I'm assuming. Yeah, that's the shed. My dad's working on the shed, trying to get the top on the roof because there's been holes in the roof for a long time. He's trying to protect the shed because there's a bad storm coming. It's probably gonna be windier tonight. I'll make another video tonight with these. Videos might be long too. I was thinking about one day I might make some change with these wind chimes, so that will be quieter than these. Might move some wind chimes someday. We got some St. Patrick's decorations right here that my mom just put out just a few minutes ago. Monday, St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, there's a big one coming. Yeah, there's a huge wind coming actually. Yeah, it all went over there. Maybe later when it gets dark I might hang the wind chimes back where they were. But I don't know yet. Also, I did clean that wind chime as well when I fixed it. So it's no longer green on it anymore. It's still tiny dirty. But it's mainly clean, but I did clean it already. This one's still dirty, as you can see. It's green stuff on it like algae. Plus it's high up in the bushes. The wind chime's on top of the bush. This one's also high too. Yeah, these wind chimes are high up. Alright, and it's 6 o'clock. And it's still breezy. It's been a few hours later. Yep. The bad storm will happen very early in the morning. Tomorrow overnight. And tonight overnight actually. And very early in the morning. It's very warm and humid. It's about 80 degrees right now. Ones are louder. Yeah. That's why I put these out here. Because it's quieter. And the arabesque one is it's really quiet. It's probably the quietest chime of these. for almost 3 years now. Hopefully it will get bigger this year. Because it's kind of like this size ever since we had this tree. As you can see, the leaves are starting to bloom on some of the trees. Some of the big trees are starting to get leaves. One right there. All the big trees are starting to get leaves just a little bit. It is spring and there's a lot of pollen. Like all those pine trees over here. The yellow stuff on it. That's pollen. Yeah, it's dirty outside due to pollen. Alright, hey guys, it is nighttime and it's more windier. More windier. Yep, more windier than it was. Just clean the camera. But these gusts has to be up to 50 miles per hour. This is so strong. I decided to jump for now. A lot of branches. Yeah, there's a big wind coming. They all went over there. Comes a big wind. These tree branches are blowing all of it. Our shed has the tarp on because there's multiple holes up there. And I hope it's secure. He tried his best all day today. Putting this up. for the big storm to come. Well, there's a big wind coming. There's a lot of pollen in the air right now. I can see it a lot going through the flashlight, but I don't think I can see. But there is a lot of pollen up here right now. It's that time of year again. It's been about an hour later and it's almost 10 o'clock. It's very windy and the wind is about 3 miles per hour and the gust is about 40 miles per hour. So weather. Like, I can hear some strong wind gusts. I can even hear it through my bedroom. Like, strong wind gusts through my bedroom. I can even hear it. That is how windy it is. I'll just leave these 2 chimes up here for tonight. And then I saw in the weather there was like wind threat is 3, tornado threat is 4, and hail threat is 2. That's what they're saying for here. Clouds are moving a little bit fast. Alright, we got a wind coming. Big wind coming. Yeah, that's huge right there. Whoa, those are huge wind gusts. It is loud. That is how strong the wind is. Look now. Got another one coming. big trees right now. That wind, I can hear it. And yet another one coming. This wind chime's the loudest than these two. Great antenna. See a big wind coming. It's a lot of big winds tonight. Something in my eye. I think the storm will be here like after midnight. But now it's 10 o'clock. A little after 10 o'clock. This arabesque wind chime does sound quiet, and it chimes. It's a quiet wind chime. Uh-oh, the light bulb just went out on this floodlight. Yeah, that other one's still in there. This one's an incandescent. It's been in there ever since we moved in 2019. And the LED came with it too. So yeah, just like came with the LED and the incandescent, and they both came with the house. And then the incandescent just finally went out, so we gotta get another one. Another floodlight. And these wind chimes are not chiming as well. The carport. Because the wind is from that direction. Goodness gracious. Glad I caught that. That was a big one. Okay, so we got a big, huge wind coming. Probably gonna head on to the back. It's a full moon. Well, it's pretty weird that the sky's so clear. I can see the stars there. It's all clear. But there's a big storm coming. It's a big one coming. They were both going crazy. So it's supposed to be like cloudy, but the skies look like they're a little clear. See some, I only see one star right there, and the moon over there. Yeah. There's definitely a big storm coming. Definitely an extremely windy night. There's a big wind coming, a huge wind coming. These winds have to be up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. Like, this is probably a record of wind chime blowing like this. Wind chimes in our house. The skies are clear. There's a storm coming. It's not all the way clear, it's just a little bit clear. Could be a little foggy underneath the skies. There's a big wind on that tree right there. There's a huge wind gust right there. And yep, it is coming. You can see it now. One of the windiest days / nights I've ever recorded. Probably one of the windiest nights I've ever recorded. This is probably a record. Because I never seen that much wind blowing like this that way, that often. It is extremely, extremely windy. Yeah, we got a big gust coming. A few minutes ago I saw like two lightning bolts or something. There was one over there and there was one over here. Yeah. Storm's coming in the probably like 2 hours or something. Now or two, probably about 2 hours. It's probably when the storm will be here. It's probably 10:30 or something. I see a wind gust coming. few minutes ago, the wind died down a little bit. But it did pick up. It did pick back up. I think there's another one coming. These clouds are moving fast, too. I think this video might be an hour long or something if I put it together, all together. See the moon better. It's brightened the screen. Now, I don't know why the skies are a little clear. It's not really cloudy now. It's a little clear. I don't know why it's clear since there's a big storm coming. So, yeah. Alright, it's almost midnight. It's been about 2 hours later. Or 1.5 hours later, I mean. Since I last been out here. It's still very windy outside. It's also starting to rain a little bit too. The storm is almost here. But I'm not staying out here because it's dangerous. But I do have the tripod set up outside. So I'll get to that. Now it's 11:54. It's sprinkling outside. it's cloudy again now because the storm is almost here. Oh, it's 2 minutes before. Ooh, there's a big wind coming. It's 11:58. I hear thunder now over there. And I just saw lightning strike a little bit, which is far away, actually. After this last gust, I'm gonna put the film in here. I just set up the tripod. As you see, I hope that. Ooh, the power just flashed. I tried cleaning the camera, but it won't. Yep, the storm is almost here. Hear lightning. But anyways, I'm about to go and record the storm. If I catch anything, I'll upload it. If I don't, then that'll be okay. I did enjoy wind chimes blowing crazy. So yeah, see you guys later.